It's Ryan Gorman here, and joining me now, we have our good friends over at Central Florida Behavioral Health Network with us. We have the president and CEO, Alan Davidson, here today. Talk about a number of different things. And Alan, I want to start by discussing a policy spotlight. Can you tell us what that is and how our listeners can be involved?
Sure. Yes, everyone actually has a role in prevention policy. Your support makes a big difference. That's why it's good to know that state and local policies can also help keep our kids safe from drugs and alcohol. This month, I want to talk about alcohol outlet density. Here's what that means. The more places people can buy alcohol, the more they tend to drink, which can cause problems. One way to help is to have fewer places that sell alcohol. This means fewer alcohol related problems in your community.
Now, what are some of the different types of alcohol outlets?
So there are two main types, off premise and on premise. Off premise means that alcohol is purchased and consumed at places like convenience stores and liquor stores. On premise is locations where alcohol is purchased and consumed at a location such as a bar or a restaurant.
What are some things that can be done to manage these types of locations so that kids don't have easy access to them?
Yet one type of alcohol outlet density regulation is a distance limitation. The idea is to keep stores away from places where kids and teens spend a lot of time. This approach keeps young people from seeing as many alcohol advertisements, which can lead to less underage drinking, makes it harder for you to get alcohol, and helps young people see less drinking around them.
And what can we do to make sure our local authorities adopt distance limitations that are good for kids in the community?
One is to get involved and learn more. Check your state's rules about alcohol outlet density near schools. Learn the law and get a clear explanation of how far alcohol stores need to be from schools. And read about why these rules help and how they work. We have posted a guide on our website at cfbhn.org to help you understand and get started.
And again, that's cfbhn.org. That's where you can find out all the information about what we've been discussing and a whole lot more there as well. President and CEO of the Central Florida Behavioral Health Network, Alan Davidson, with me today. Alan, it's always great to talk to you. Thanks so much for coming back on.
Great. Thanks, Ryan.